Heal your lungs with this tea. Cough, asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, rheumatism, infections. Oregano is an essential culinary and medicinal herb that has been used since ancient days, with many powerful health benefits. Due to its potent antioxidants, antibacterial, anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties, oregano has many possible health benefits. Oregano is rich in vitamins A, C, E and K, fiber, calcium, niacin, manganese, folate, magnesium, iron, and the carotenoids lutein, zeaxanthin, and cryptoxanthin. Its antioxidant power and proven disease prevention is incredible. In fact, oregano has one of the highest antioxidant activity ratings, which is excellent for neutralizing free radicals. This fragrant Mediterranean herb can help the body to detoxify, thus is beneficial to remedy many ailments. How to use oregano for medical benefits. Oregano can be administered in many ways to obtain its beneficial effects. You can use fresh or dried oregano leaves in its oil form, or taken as tablets as a supplement. A common way to use oregano is by steeping a tea. The tea can be made with fresh or dried oregano. About 1 to 2 teaspoons, which is 5 to 10 grams, should be steeped in a cup of hot water for 5 minutes. The recommended dosage of this tea is up to 3 times daily. Moreover, oregano oil can be applied topically for treatment of microbial infections, such as athlete's foot or other fungal infections. The oil needs to be diluted by 50% or more prior to application, and it can be applied twice daily. Health benefits of oregano: cough and cold, asthma, arthritis, digestive disorder, muscle pain, acne, dandruff, bronchitis, toothache, bloating, headaches, heart conditions, heartburn, acid reflux, allergies, intestinal parasites, earache, fatigue, repelling insects, urinary tract infections, menstrual cramps, cancer. How to make oregano tea to heal a cough, asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, rheumatism, infections and more. Ingredients: 4-6 tablespoons of dried oregano leaves, 2-3 cups of water, a slice of organic lemon. To increase bioavailability, optional. Organic raw honey to taste, if desired. Instructions: put pure drinking water in a small pot to boil on the stove. Turn off heat when boiled. Add oregano leaves and allow to steep for 5 minutes and cool. Strain the leaves and add honey to taste, if desired. Drink warm throughout the day to reap its maximum benefits.